This is the Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus 2C in color mist. So this particular size that we purchased, it does come with the comp A and the accelerator, which is comp B. So I would just carefully read the instructions to ensure you're mixing it properly. That way when you go to apply, you get a perfect application. So I do love that it is a single step. So we have quarter sawn white oak cabinets, and we wanted to keep them as close to the natural color as possible. That was so important to us, and we also didn't want it to have any sort of sheen. We wanted it to be very matte, to really mimic that natural finish that was on there. So we tried so many different brands and colors, and this is what we ended up landing on, and I love the way that it turned out. So we did try, there's so many different colors. I recommend getting some of the sample sizes. So we did try the mist. We did mist 5%, white 5%, and natural, and they're all very similar, but for us, mist just kind of kept that natural look to the wood more than any of the other colors. So for this particular 75 milliliter size that we got here, it was enough to do our entire bar area, as you can see here, and then the underside of our island, which is a 13-foot island, it covered that, and then we also have some white cabinets at the front of our island. So that entire container was enough to do all of those areas, and we did do just a single coat. We have thought about going back and doing another coat just to make the application a little bit more uniform, but for now we're just gonna leave it as is and kind of let it settle in a little bit more before we decide to do that. But it's always an option. Touch-ups are very easy with it. Overall, I love the way that it gives that natural look right back to our wood the way that it was meant to look.